Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if you're new here. Don't forget to subscribe. We love new subscribers around here. Come join my online crew. So this bun is something that I've been wanting to share for a while. It's taken me so long to perfect this because it continues to evolve as my hair gets longer. I also have very, very layered hair with full bangs, but I mean, can you tell? No, that is what is so awesome about this bun. So let's jump right in and I will show you how I do it. It is so basic and simple. It is my go-to, day 3 type of hairdo, and it really does stay all day. So here we go. Okay, so this is my just woke up hair. I had my hair waved yesterday and then in like a ballerina bun to sleep last night. So it is just crazy. I do also have bangs. So we're gonna have to figure those out too. Usually if I am waking up with next day hair, the texture is already like a little bit coarser depending on what products I've used. If I used any like smoothing or sleek kind of products the day before, then sometimes I will need a little bit of like surf spray. I love this Bumble and Bumble surf spray, or this Uwe wave spray, just something to like give it a little bit more grip. You're gonna need it for this bun 100%. Like, just please use something. It won't stay otherwise. As it is, because this is day 3 hair, I am going to throw in some dry shampoo at my scalp because obviously your scalp is what you see the most with a high bun. So I'm just gonna throw this in. I'm finishing off this Not Your Mother's texturizing dry shampoo. And I just put it like all throughout the top and then like around the edge at the bottom. I don't put it like all the way through because it doesn't need it. And I do have a lot of hair. It's pretty fine, but it's really thick. So keep that in mind too. You might need something else to like give it a little more volume if that's what you're looking for. But this is what I use. So I'm gonna flip it over. This is hard to show. I'm gonna flip it over, put a little more dry shampoo, and then like run my fingers all through it so that the dry shampoo gets everywhere that it needs to be. So all I use is one of these like plastic hair scrunchie things. I've tried actual scrunchies, I've tried normal hair ties. This is what holds my hair the best, especially with so many layers in it. This is just what works. So this is what I use every single time, no matter what. And then for my bangs, all I'm gonna be using is a tiny little clip like this. You won't even be able to see it, which is awesome. This is another reason that I love this bun, is because it's so easy to hide my bangs. Okay, so you take your hair tie. This part does require a little bit of effort figuring out how to do it. My husband has long hair, and so I've been teaching him how to do like nice man buns, and I didn't realize how hard it was. Like making sure that the hair tie is on the right side, and yeah, anyway. So it might take you a few tries, but it's really easy once you figure it out. So what I do is I put my hair, let me make sure you can see me. I put my hair all the way down like this. I kind of like run my fingers to the front to try to get it a little bit smoother. Same thing on the back. And then I kind of bring my hair all together. And I hold it and I put my hands, like my fingers open like this. I put my fingers through my hair and I just like grip it like this. At that point, I put it back up at the top, so you can see I've got like my hair through all of my fingers and it's kind of hanging down like a ponytail. Then I already have my hair tie on this hand that's gripping my hair. I grab my ponytail holder and I pull it over and I real quick do a twist. I try to catch some of the like ends in it because that makes it a little bit messier, and I just pull it over one more time. Then you just kind of like adjust it. Sometimes some of this hair at the front falls out a little, so I like to just kind of like bring it back around. I actually like doing that anyway because it helps hide the ponytail holder. You really shouldn't be able to see it at all by the time that you are done with this. And then, yeah, you pull out any pieces that you want hanging down or tuck them back in if you like them tucked in a little bit. And you should have like a good amount of hair out at the ends on like one side, or you can kind of pull those around to the back. And yeah, you just kind of adjust until it's like the way that you want it. I always have like baby hairs that are coming out anyway at the front. So I kind of do that before I make sure that my bangs get tucked in with a clip. So as you can see, this is like a huge amount of volume, and this will really stay all day. I almost always do a bun like this on day 3 hair, and it pretty much just lasts. I every once in a while need to redo it if something is weird, but it's pretty rare. It really just kind of does its thing. So I'm gonna grab one of these little clips and just make sure I grab all of these little layers in the front. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror on the side. And I just like put this little clip right at the base of my bun. And it really does like disappear. You can't even see it. And there you go. That is literally it. A giant, super messy, easy to do bun. Easy to redo on the go if you mess it up. Easy to kind of get it to the level of messiness that you want. Guys, I do this all the time. I hope that this was so helpful to you. It's so helpful to me because now my hair is done for the day. Thank you very much. Like this video if you made it to the end because that means that you liked it. Subscribe if you're new here because we have lots of fun. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. It'll actually be easier if you're a little bit older. I did it when I was 18 and I think I was too young to know how crazy it was. So I just made it work and I made it up as I went, and it was a good experience, but also it was hard. So going into this, just know this life that I chose for myself was hard, but I learned so much, and it was honestly,